Okay, guys, we got a lot going on here. Today, we are going to cook pork enchiladas. So I'm going to show you how to do it in 1 minute. Okay, so what I did is I took my pork, I slow cooked it for 4 hours in the slow cooker. And then I pulled the meat apart, I put it in there, then I added some green chilies, some green chili sauce, and my favorite, Hatch Valley green chili sauce. It's got a little punch, it's got a little spike to it. I like it. And then what I do is I sauteed my corn tortillas in some vegetable oil, which is always good for you. It's good for the heart. Then I take that and I put it in here and I make sure that it's nice and moist. And then I take a good scoop of that, roll it up, put it over there, and then the masterpiece, it's in there, it's cooking. So that's how we do it. If you want to make some pork enchiladas, give me a call, let me know, be glad to help you.